My name is Kimberly Grant.
My name is Dawn Brown.
And we are the owners of Math-A-Matics Tutoring. We have been in business for 6 years, and we focus on providing math tutoring in all levels. We also do STEM enrichment, SAT test prep, as well as campus intervention.
So why should you choose Math-A-Matics Tutoring? We offer one-on-one tutoring at your home, at your local library, or Starbucks. And we also offer online tutoring. And what makes us so different even about our online, we're not your FaceTime or your Skype tutoring. We have our own portal that has a whiteboard that's user-friendly, and we even give you a touchpad. If you don't want your child to have a small group of 2 or 3 students that are doing totally different instruction, then we are the people to come to.
We meet you where you are, but the school students already have so much that's going on in their lives that instead of giving them a totally different curriculum, we show them that there's more than one way to solve a problem.
We would love to help you catch up,
keep up,
and get ahead.